Hello, hello mga lalabs. Ayan. Pasensya na kayo. Hindi na matanggal. Ayan. Tinanggal ko na yung power bank para para ba hindi nakataas. Kasi mag-e-end naman na ako. Thank you so much sa stay niyo mga kalalabs. Si Casey, sis kong yan, thank you so much sa stay at sa tatlong andyan. Kailangan ibaba ko si Sir Ben. Ayan mga lalabs, bago ako mag-end, gusto ko munang pasalamatan ang lahat ng pumunta sa live ko ngayon. Sili, thank you so much sa mga patangsak at paharang mo. Sis Wondering, thank you so much. Rems, thank you so much. Tisang Chang Ami Vlad, thank you so much. Ano lang, sumilip lang siya sa kasi Rems, nawala na. Saka Mary Joy, Mixed Vlog, ayan. Thank you so much. Tigalo Dating Channel, thank you so much. Wilip lang din. Christianet Tadijak Singer, thank you so much. Batid Creepy, thank you so much. Batid Ronnie, thank you so much. Red, thank you so much. Grandma Big Blood, thank you so much. Si Bodos, thank you so much. Si Joe Agapito Princess, thank you so much. Si MPUSA, thank you so much. Sachi, thank you so much. Sir Merlin Gray, sis Merlin Graves, thank you so much. Akala ko Sir JMW, thank you so much. Sis Evelyn Shupon, thank you so much sa pag-review. Ayan. Sis Rebecca, thank you so much. Onet PX, thank you. Hindi nagbaba ng bahay sis Rebecca. Sir Ben, thank you so much. Si Casey kong yan, thank you so much. Si Boye, thank you so much. Kapatid Kevin 0509, thank you so much. And mga lalabs,